In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search for text in Bluebeam. This process is straightforward and should only take a few minutes. If you're working on a project in Bluebeam and need to find specific text quickly, this guide is for you. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to head over to Bluebeam Cloud. You can do this by opening your preferred internet browser and entering the website address. It's always a good idea to bookmark the site for easy access in the future. Once you're on the website, the next step is to sign in. Locate the Sign In button, which is usually visible on the home page, and click it. This will take you to the login page. On the login page, you'll need to enter your email address. Carefully type it in to avoid any mistakes, which could delay your access. After entering your email, you will find a Next button. Clicking on Next will prompt you to enter your password. Again, enter your password carefully, ensuring that you input it exactly as it is stored. If your password involves complex characters or capitalization, it's essential to pay close attention here. Once you've entered your login details, you'll click Sign In, and the system will then authenticate your credentials. This process only takes a moment, and then you'll be redirected into your Bluebeam interface. From the dashboard, you'll want to navigate to Studio Sessions. This section allows you to view your ongoing projects and collaborations. After you click on Studio Sessions, you'll see a list of your projects. Go ahead and select the project you want to work with by clicking on it. This will open the project in a new window where you can view all the current documents and markups associated with it. Next, look for the Markups tab within your project workspace. Clicking this tab will bring up a suite of tools that are essential for managing your project documents. It's in this space where you'll find the search functionality highly useful. Finally, locate the search bar within the Markups tab. You can type any text you wish to find in your documents into this search bar. As you type, the search function will actively filter through your documents to identify matches. This will help you quickly locate and verify the text you need without manually searching through extensive documents. And there you have it, a simple and efficient way to search for text in Bluebeam. This tool can dramatically streamline your workflow by retrieving information quickly and effectively. With these steps, you should be able to navigate Bluebeam's text search functions effortlessly. Happy searching, and I hope this guide makes your project management a bit easier.